I'll be demonstrating the setup of the UNI2 and UNI3 dispensers. The pump is the same, the shrouds just have a different capacity. 1.5 gallons for the UNI2 and 1 gallon for the UNI3. Before first use, it's important to disassemble and clean your pump per your local health regulations. After cleaning and sanitizing the pump, follow these steps to reassemble. Install the nozzle by rolling back the retaining sleeve and inserting it into the discharge tube with the tab towards the back. Roll the sleeve back to secure it in place. Install the dome into the pump housing with the removal tab pointing towards the bottom. Push firmly on the dome to make sure it's fully engaged with the pump housing. Slide the dome clip over the dome to secure it into the pump housing for thick products. Install the valve by rolling the retaining sleeve back, inserting it into the pump housing, making sure the groove on the valve engages with the rim on the pump housing. Wrap the flaps of the valve onto the pegs on the pump housing. You are now ready to attach the pump to the fitment in the pouch. Begin by placing the pouch on a flat surface. Locate the fitment, it's the small white ring attached to the surface of the pouch. Align the piercing tip of the pump over the fitment and press firmly until you feel the pump snap into place. You don't need to worry about piercing through the other side of the pouch because the fitment prevents that from happening. Prime the pump by lifting the pump up and pressing on the dome with your thumb until product is visible in the discharge tube. You can now lift the pump and pouch and insert it into the dispenser housing. As you drop the pump into the housing, make sure that the alignment grooves on the pump align with the grooves in the housing. Clip the pouch to the back of the dispenser to improve evacuation efficiency. The dispenser is preset to dispense 2/3 fluid ounce of condiment. If you desire a different portion, you can change the location of the pin, attaching the link arm to the handle to adjust the portion. Those instructions and portion options are spelled out in the user manual. Place the lid on the housing. Push down on the handle a few times to prime the pump. Your dispenser is now ready for use. The pump does an excellent job evacuating product from the pouch. When empty, simply remove the pouch from the pump. Begin by pre-rinsing excess product from the pump while disassembling it. Use the included brush to clean the hard-to-reach pickup tube and discharge tube on the pump housing. Wash, rinse, and sanitize according to your local health code. Be sure to allow all parts to air dry. The pump is dishwasher safe if you prefer to clean it in a commercial dishwasher.